Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. Today I have for you this video that I already started with 4 nails, but I'm gonna show you on the 4th one how to fill your nails, your fiberglass nails, which is the material that I use. To start with, the thing that you have to do is, you can see the separation right here. I need pretty much material in this part right here. I don't know if you can see it, but we need to fill that space over there. It's just like a normal nail, but it doesn't show. So you have to be aware of that all the time that you have fiberglass nails. You're just gonna notice a little bit of discoloration or different color in between that little space that you don't have fiberglass anymore, because it's kind of like walking with your own nail. You can see underneath. Okay, so basically you're gonna just like file a little bit so you can make this part really smooth again and even, and then you're going to apply a little layer of your resin. I got this one from Sally's, and this is my favorite one. I've been using this one for years and years and years. So you're gonna use that one, and once that dry, now you're gonna grab your fiberglass. This one is silk, but both work the same. I never used linen before, so I don't even know how that works, but these two are pretty much the same. Fiberglass is a little bit see-through, and silk is like this. It's really thick, or it's like the little squares are more tiny in between, but they both work the same. You're gonna cut like a little piece like this because it's not pre-cut. You can get fiberglass pre-cut if you want to, if it is easier for you, but I don't like it because I think it's a waste when you have like the shape done. You just cut it, and then the rest you can, well, you can actually kind of like recycle the little pieces like this, like how I did with this one, but they are already rounded on the corner, so it doesn't even work for me. So I'd rather just keep doing it with the little strip like this, like little strip, and cut it myself. So you're gonna grab a little piece and you're gonna cut a corner right here, and then you're gonna put it right on top, really close to your cuticle, but not all the way, because we don't want material on your cuticle. All right, now that you have that, you're just gonna put your silk or fiberglass on top. It already has like a little glue by himself, but with the resin on the bottom, it's gonna make it stick better. Just gonna put it right here, and it goes just in the middle of the nail. It doesn't go all the way down like when you are doing a new one, because you just want to cover that space, the little gap that we have without it. So we lay our scissors right here on your the edge of the finger, and cut the corner, and it's ready for another layer of resin. All right, now that you have your first layer of resin, you're gonna let it dry and then apply the second one. This is the second one for me, but all the way to the bottom, so we can have a uniform, more even surface. And obviously be careful with the cuticles, don't go higher than this, because you're gonna have glue all over and it's gonna make a mess. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna grab our activator. It has to say resin, because if it says just gel, it's not gonna work on your resin. So make sure that it says resin, like this one, resin. Okay, I got this in a local store, but you can actually go to this to the website, which is right here, I guess. Yeah, it's right here, princessnails.com, and you can get it there, or actually you can call. There is a number right there, and the website. We're gonna grab it and we're gonna put it like a little bit, and this is gonna make a fusion between the resin and the fiberglass, and also it will help to dry like almost instantly. If you can see, there's like tiny bit that is not dry yet, but let's try another finger now. There, it's completely dry now. The next step is just like file around the nail. Just be careful, don't go too crazy with the file. The only thing that you want to do here is just get rid of that extra fiberglass or extra silk that you have around. Alright guys, this finger is completely done. I'm gonna do this off camera, but this one is ready for the third layer of your resin. You're just gonna pour it. And put it all over the nail, all over. Activator again, and once that dry, you can start like with the polish, with the soft part of the file if you have a double like this one, or you can also find another that is like regular. Let me find it. I have it right here. This one, for example, I got this one in Sally's Tropical Shine. Well, this is not it. I have one like this one, and it says 220, 220, so it's the same both size. But you want to use one that is really soft to make it better, because if you use something that is really rough on your surface, you're actually gonna take away all the resin, and probably if you go crazy with it, you can actually end up like showing right here. Is gonna show like the little hairs or something like that sticking out, and that is the actual fiberglass or the silk. So you don't want to do that. You have to go with something really soft like this one, and then you will finish your job with this kind of block that is really soft on one side, then medium, and then really hard. What you want to do is like get rid of those bumpy spaces. I don't know if you can see, there is like bumps right there. Just gonna get rid of all the bumpiness on your nail. Like I said in the other video, if you want to know if your nail is totally ready for the block, you can actually touch the nail and you're gonna feel the bumps, or you can actually see if it is shiny. You need to go over again with your file. Look, like right there, you can see that it's still shiny right there, or right here. That is gonna show you where you're missing the file. Okay, now you're gonna take your black, the softest part of it, you're gonna go over the whole entire nail like this. Oh, just be careful with the edges. We're gonna use the hardest part right here. And then the tip. You can feel when it's ready. And then we're gonna use the oil, cuticle oil of your preference, to get rid of all the dryness around. rub it in. And that is the final result. This is how I do my fills for me or my clients. So I just wanted to share it with you. This time in English, because I don't know if you guys know English or not, but pretty much my whole videos are in Spanish. So this is the fill. Let me finish the rest of camera and put like a little gloss on top so you can see the final result. All right, dolls, this is the end result. I just remove all my oil so I can put like a little top coat. I hope you guys understand, because my English is so poor and ugly, and my accent, I hate it, but I did this with all my heart for you guys so you can actually understand how to do this and you can actually learn. So I just grabbed this Wet n Wild. It was just a regular top coat, but I put like little drops of red polish and mix it, and this is the color that I got, and I really like it. Every time that I use like a new set or a fill, I really like to use this one because it looks so pretty and so natural looking. I just love it. So we're gonna put this in every single nail. And thank you so much for watching. I will let you all my social media down below, and also all the material that I used today. And also I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, because it's totally free and it will really help me out if you turn on your notification bell so you can watch every video that I'm gonna upload. And yeah, I see you on the next one. I send you all a big kiss. Mwah!